new recipe of alfredo cheesy pasta. So if you want to know the secret of this recipe, do watch the video till the end. So let's begin!
So here are the ingredients.
300 grams of boiled pasta, 1 cup of boneless chicken cubes, 1 cup of whipping cream, 1 cup of cheese mozzarella, 1 cup of milk, 1 tablespoon of diced garlic, 1 cube of chicken stock, 3 to 4 tablespoons of cooking oil, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of salt, some measuring spoons and some measuring cups. Add oil in the heated pan. Add garlic. Add chicken. Add chicken cube, add black pepper and add salt. When the chicken is tender, add cream and milk. Now add pasta in this. Now add cheese in it and cover it for 1 to 2 minutes. This was a quick yet yummy alfredo cheesy pasta recipe. So let's taste. Yummy! You must try this, guys. It is so yummy. You will definitely love it. Yum. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and smash the like button. Bye!
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Hit the bell icon to get our latest videos.